so much for joining us today. My name is Jonathan Aguero, SVP Revenue at Blackpurl, which, as you probably know, is a simple, powerful, and connected dealership management platform. Purpose of today's webinar, man, we're going through a little bit about what we do as a recap, and then what led us to integrate deeply with Kenect, the business communication platform, and then we're going to go into the benefits of Kenect. Bottom line is, compared to every option out there, from our perspective, Blackpurl is simpler, easier, and it's more flexible and connected. At the end of the day, it's going to organize your dealership, service, parts, sales. It's going to have exceptionally easy accounting. Why Blackpurl and our DMS integrated with Kenect comes down to dealers want to communicate with customers in the way that customers want to communicate with. But so many of our dealers came to our team and to me directly saying, can you integrate with Kenect? We have it, we like it, we want to be able to see our history, our communication history in Blackpurl when we're looking up a customer, regardless of where we texted the customer from. They wanted more capability than the built-in Blackpurl texting, which for those of you who have it, you know it's just text. There's no images, there's no videos, there's no content library, there's nothing. So we did it, and here's how it works. It syncs up your Kenect messages with your Blackpurl inbox. If there's attachments that can't be viewed in Blackpurl, it'll link you right back to Kenect. So whichever platform you're in, you stay synced up. You can send messages out of Blackpurl or Kenect. And what you see pictured here on this iPad is an example of your Blackpurl inbox synced up with Kenect. Key use for this integration that our customers tell me is if someone calls in, they want to know service history, they want to know what did I buy from you a year ago, you're going to want to look them up in Blackpurl to see their transactions. If you have the Kenect integration enabled, which we highly recommend, man, you're going to be able to go in that customer record and see all your text messages back and forth. So huge value for your staff to keep them synced up, and whatever platform they need to be in at the moment, whatever they're living in, they can see everything. If they do happen to be working out of Blackpurl, then the templates work. You can text right from customer orders, and incoming messages trigger notifications. So while a lot of people are going to work for, especially when they're really working with customers, they're going to work out of the Kenect mobile app or the Kenect platform. It syncs totally up with Blackpurl, so you can see everything in one place, and so your platforms talk, reducing opportunity for mistakes, increasing the value of your customer experience.
Now, Jonathan touched on this a little bit already, but I wanted to just show you some screenshots and talk a little bit more about the actual integration and show you from within Kenect how it works a little bit. So it's really 4 parts: contact syncing. So we sync all of your contacts from Blackpurl into Kenect, and that happens every 10 minutes. So almost lifetime. Anytime you have a contact in Blackpurl, you're going to see that pop into Kenect. Lead push. So anytime you get a lead from Kenect, whether that's through web chat, Facebook, Instagram, or just a customer texting you out of the blue, we're going to create that lead in Kenect, obviously, but we're also going to push that into Blackpurl as a lead. Number 3 is conversation posting. So we've talked a lot about this, how all the messages that you send from Kenect are basically synced and posted into Blackpurl, so you can see that. You can even go to the inbox of Kenect right from Blackpurl, and then obviously the native texting. You can text from Blackpurl using the Kenect services without actually having to switch back and forth between Blackpurl and Kenect, which is a huge time saver and very, very convenient. Here's our contact information. Don't hesitate to reach out at all. We were happy to help you out with any questions that you have.